So the Fantastic Four which we will see in the Marvel Cinematic Universe will be very different from the past previous two movies. As we all know that Marvel is starting to introduce many new superheroes other than Avengers. For example, we have seen mutants in Deadpool 3 trailer, and now it's time for Fantastic Four before Avengers Secret Wars. But the main part is that Fantastic Four is currently happening in different universe. Definitely, it is a multiverse movie with a different timeline setup because it has been said that it will happen in 1960 and it will feature many classic superhero who were present at that time, like real Ant-Man, Hank Pym, and also maybe younger version of Nick Fury. But the biggest question is that who will play the villain in the current new Fantastic Four movie? Because if we talk about some leaks, then it has been said that we will get to see Silver Surfer along with Galactus. But the main part is that if we watch old Fantastic Four film, then the first villain for that movie is Doctor Doom. And definitely if we talk about Avengers Secret Wars, then Doctor Doom is a very potential villain who can create better world and also can take the powers of Beyonders. But currently there are no such updates about Doctor Doom. So if we talk about Galactus, then there is a strong possibility that he will appear in the next Fantastic Four film along with Silver Surfer. But the biggest twist is that which makes fans confused and also angry is that Silver Surfer will be played by a female character. And it is not very surprised to me because if we talk about old Marvel Cinematic Universe history, then Marvel has gender swapped many characters. Like if we talk about Ancient One, then if you read comics, then Ancient One is male. But if we see Doctor Strange, then she is female. And if we talk about Makari, then also in comics, he has been played by a male character. So if we talk about Silver Surfer, which we have seen already in Fantastic Four Part 2, where he was working under Galactus and searching for potential planet in order to feed him. But currently, things have been changed in Marvel Cinematic Universe, and if we talk about Silver Surfer, then it has been said that we may get to see two versions of it. First one which is played by a female character and another one played by a male character, and they will both work under Galactus. But the main question is that if we watch Fantastic Four movie Rise of the Silver Surfer, then we know who is the male one, who is Norrin Red. And if we talk about female Silver Surfer, then her name is Shala Bell, and she has a very complex history in Marvel Comics, including being a leader and villain with connection to Galactus and Power Cosmic. Shala Bell's presence in the Fantastic Four implies that Galactus will be involved, adding excitement to film storyline. It has been said that Shala Bell version of Silver Surfer will be played by Julia Garner. Garner has won 3 Emmy Awards for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Drama Series, and if we think closely, then Marvel picking an accomplished dramatic actor may imply that they are looking for Shala Bell to have a very emotional story in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. This is not only tracks for typical depiction of the Surfer, but also fits Shala Bell's complicated history for Marvel Comics. Now let's talk about how this Shala Bell is connected with Norrin Red, because they love each other and were couple on their own planet until Norrin become Silver Surfer because of the Galactus. And if you have watched Fantastic Four Part 2, then it has been already revealed by Norrin Red that he has become that in order to save his family and his people of that planet, because he doesn't have any choice, because if he denies to Galactus' wish, then Galactus may end up eating his own planet. But the next question is that what happened to Shala Bell? Then the answer is that she was taken by Mephisto from Earth, and currently her memory was removed, and during this time Shala Bell's home world was absorbed by Galactus, though he spared the people living there. When Shala Bell eventually returned to her planet and given a portion of the Power Cosmic, which gives the Silver Surfer his powers, Shala Bell used her new abilities in order to restore life of the planet and was made the leader of her planet as a result. She led her people during a war between the Skrull and the Kree, and she also became a negotiator between them. But later something strange happens. Shala Bell has some evil intention. She wants their culture to be put on each and every planet with the help of a device which is known as Illuminatrix. And Shala Bell somehow reached Earth, where she and Norrin Red fight with each other, and Norrin Red somehow destroy Illuminatrix. This simple storyline seems very interesting, as we will get to see best of both Silver Surfer. Like many Marvel characters, Shala Bell doesn't just exist in Marvel's main Earth, but in one such alternate reality, both she and Norrin Red were working for Galactus and both were Silver Surfers. Marvels may be drawing on this version of the character for MCU's inspiration. This opens up several possibilities for the MCU. The Fantastic Four may take place in an alternate universe where Shala Bell is the Silver Surfer before later joining the main Marvel universe. But many fans who doesn't read comics will not able to understand her character. Now it can be possible that the MCU will just be using Shala Bells as its version of the Silver Surfer, and either having Norrin also exist as Silver Surfer or just not play a very big role in the current Marvel Cinematic Universe. The idea of White Vision acting as Silver Surfer has also been floated around by having Shala Bells be the more traditional version of that character. Marvel will leave the door open for Vision to also fill this role at some point. Shala Bell could share some of the power cosmic with Vision, allowing him to become a Silver Surfer. But the main question is that whether Silver Surfer is male or female. It has been clear that if this will appear in Fantastic Four film, then the Galactus possibility is 100% sure, and he will come in order to feed the entire Earth of that reality. Marvel may try to clear some more doubts of Marvel fans regarding why this Fantastic Four is appearing in alternate reality. What about current Marvel Cinematic Universe? Why they are not happening there? And if the Fantastic Four is appearing, then who are the old Avengers who are supporting them? But if we talk about Galactus' involvement in the project, it has not been officially confirmed yet. However, if the Silver Surfer is going to be in the movie, it is very clear that Galactus will have something to do with the film stories. Because if we talk about this character, then he should not appear as a cloud, which we have seen in the old Fantastic Four film. Rather, he should be like a living human being or look like a giant celestial, which we have seen in the Eternals movie. Many fan theories also suggest that Fantastic Four has created a device which cannot even time travel but also have the power to travel through multiverse, and they will use this time machine in order to warn each and every Earth from the big threat which is arriving in current Avengers 5 movie. Because if we talk about Kang the Conqueror return possibility, then he is already connected with Fantastic Four if you read the comics. But currently, Marvel has no plan for Kangs, or we can say that Marvel is hiding something from the fans, because Marvel has not officially revealed that what will happen to Kang in the future, because Marvel has already changed the title of Avengers Kang Dynasty and the new title of the film is yet to be decided. If we talk about Fantastic Four new villains, then apart from Galactus and Doctor Doom, there can be Ultron of that universe. Because if you read comics, then Ultron was created by Hank Pym at that time. And if Fantastic Four establishing in 1960, then there can be huge possibility that we could see Hank Pym and Mr. Fantastic working together on some special project which can be Ultron. There can be a strong possibility that we may get to see younger version of Howard Stark along with Captain Steve Rogers. But if we talk about some more details, then there can be possibility of multiverse Council of Reed Richards, which we have seen in the comic book. As we all know, in the end of the Ant-Man and the Wasp Quantumania, we have seen Council of Kangs, but there can be possibility that in order to protect multiverse, Mr. Fantastic can contact with different version of himself in order to create a perfect plan which will help them to defeat Galactus and even Doctor Doom. Hope this new Marvel project will meet the expectation of fans.